Rise and shine, heroes. Your world needs you. We're on day 3 of Earl Nightingale's 30-day test, and we're going to keep moving forward. We're going to generate a miracle in your lives in exactly 2 steps. Step 1, think of that specific and measurable goal, write it down on a card, keep that card with you, and read it as often as you can each day. At least at a minimum, morning, noon, and night, 3 times a day. Step 2, for the next 30 days, do more than is expected of you. Work as hard as you possibly can towards your goal. What I'm going to ask of you today is, as you're reading your goal, don't just read it like a task that you're doing, kind of on automatic autopilot. When you're reading your goal, make sure that you're visualizing it, because reading that goal, that repetition of reading the goal, is part of where that magic starts to happen. That visualization of the goal as it's already occurred, that it's already been accomplished, that you've already received it, that puts that image on the screen of your mind, and each time you read that goal, it becomes easier for your brain to recall that image, for it to leap to the screen of your mind. That's why when you keep your gratitude rock or your gratitude coin or whatever small object in your pocket, when you touch that object, it flashes that image on the screen of your mind, and you start to think about that and feel about it as if it's already been accomplished. So when you read your goal card, visualize it, think about it, feel about it as you are reading it, and then read it as often as possible throughout the day, but at a minimum, morning, noon, and night. But I'm going to ask you today, read it as often as you can today. And then each time you touch that object in your pocket, that vision will flash on your mind. For the next 30 days, continue doing more than is expected of you towards working towards your goal, and you're going to see those huge, explosive leaps in progress that you never would have seen otherwise. Keep working hard, superheroes. Your world needs you. This has been Dave the Barbarian with the Small Business Superheroes Podcast, amsdynamics.com. Please like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell, because we are going to be doing a video each and every day this month as we all together work on this Earl Nightingale 30-day test. 30 days to manifesting a miracle in your life in exactly 2 steps. We'll see you next time, guys. Thank you for watching.